Hello, everyone, and welcome to The Middle with Jeremy Leyva. Today was an interesting day in the markets because we saw one of the biggest decreases that we've seen in a long time. Actually, it was around 630 something points altogether. Not directly down, but let me give you that breakdown. Today was the final meeting for 2018 for the Federal Reserve. They decided that they were going to raise the rates from 2.25% to 2.5%, a quarter of a percent, and that in itself made the difference today. So the reason that I say that is because the market opened up about 130 points. Now, when I say market, I'm specifically talking about one of the largest, and we're talking about the Dow Jones Industrial. So what I'm talking about there is the index, and it opened around 130 points. It is up around 130 points. Got to about 280 points up. This is because people, as the Fed was meeting, people were thinking, I think they're going to, they're betting against the rate hike. They're thinking, it's probably not going to happen. Immediately after, it breaks even from its open, so it drops 280 points, and then drops another 350 odd points. So over 600 points today, all in one day. Huge deal. Futures are not looking so good for the market right now. What is this telling us? What is this telling us? There's a portfolio manager on Bloomberg today, and his name was Bob Dahl. And he was quoted in saying that the Federal Reserve is a bit of an enemy to stocks. After being such a big help to stocks over the past 10 years, come February, come next year, we'll have the longest bull market, which means going up. Think of bull, think of going up. Bull market in history, in the history of ever recorded stock markets. We're gonna have a 10-year bull run. That is unheard of. And it's bound to happen. So all I'm saying for this quick thought is this: a portfolio manager, Trump, all of these people are looking at the Fed, and I've been saying for months now to pay attention to the Fed because that is going to be the downfall of our economy. Not the only reason. That's one of the biggest ones that people are going to watch. But the debt, I'm telling you, personal debt, corporate debt, all of this stuff is going. The amount of large corporations, especially brick and mortar corporations that are defaulting on loans that are actually going out of business is skyrocketing. I'm telling you, if the recession has not started, this is definitely the beginning. I'm telling you, this is the early stages if it has not started. Once again, we will not know if we were in a recession until about 2 months after we're in a recession. So I wanted to give you that quick thought. That is what happened. If anybody saw what had happened, that is actually what's going on. And so if you have any other questions, please put them in the comments. Really seriously, if you like these videos, it really does help. And repost that way we can get a conversation going. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll be talking to you soon.